Yep, out to the left a little bit. Oh, okay. Feeling like a wiper though. But he's a big walleye. I was gonna say, does he not know he's hooked? Dude. Welcome back, guys. It is a Friday afternoon and we got blue bird skies all around. Hopefully you guys didn't get too dizzy there. My boss was out of the office today and I decided to sneak out a couple hours early. But if he's watching this, I definitely did not leave early and stayed an extra couple hours. Anyways, despite how it looks out here, there's a forecast saying that it might rain around 4 or 5, then again at 7. But when I got out here, they pushed it back till 9 o'clock, which is fan-freaking-tastic. And we got a southeast wind. And if you didn't watch my last video, I was fishing these humps that were kind of wind blown. They're kind of mid-lake humps, but the wind was blowing over them. If you're on the middle of the lake, it's going to be wind blown no matter what. But we're fishing the wind blown side of them, and yeah, me and Butters, we did pretty good on the wipers. So I think I'm going to try to look for that bite again, because like I said, the wind's blowing this way. We're going to fish the wind blown side of those underwater humps. See what's over there before I fish them. I'm just hoping the fish are still there. If not, I might have to do some searching. And if you guys are watching this, I obviously found them and we'll see what happens. All right, found a few fish. I would have showed you guys, what I was looking for, but took my shirt off. Didn't want to sear that image into your guys' freaking retinas. So yeah, I just drove around, got back to this hump I was fishing last time. Saw a few fish creeping on the bottom and we're gonna give it a shot. It's not even 1 o'clock, so we'll see how it goes. And I think I'm gonna dead stick a rod. Yeah, I'm gonna dead stick a rod back here. Getting some live shad would be pretty good right now too, I bet. I don't know, haven't tried looking for the shad yet, but they haven't been easy to find. So we're just gonna dead stick some plastics. And I got 2 on here actually, just a double jig rig. I'm just gonna let it sink all the way, this one, and then we're gonna cast a 3-inch swim bait on the other rod. Okay, I think I'm on bottom there, sitting in like 19 feet of water. Something like that. Just dead sticking some plastics. See how it goes. Then we're gonna cast behind the boat. See if I can pick up one of these fish. I'm pretty sure there are at least some whites over here. I was trying to push myself away from the fish too, instead of sitting right on top of them. Especially with the trolling motor. It's gonna be working kind of hard because the wind is a consistent like 15 today. Maybe not quite 15, but still, that trolling motor is going to be whirring around down there. I think I'm on bottom. We'll just fish it back. Oh, the trolling, or not the trolling motor, the big motor is kind of in the way, but... Oh! First cast. First cast. Well, I was saying, the big motor's in the way. Boat cruising over there. Oh, pretty nice white bass. Just like last time, they're still hanging out over here. Actually, we'll just... I don't need to net him. He's not that big. Here we go. First fish of the day on the old Bling Drastic. Here we go. It's probably like a... I was going to say how many pounds, but I changed my mind. I'm not going to bother. Yep, they're cruising around on bottom, so just cast that thing out and let it sink. I'm just gonna shut this off for now. Don't really need it, I'm just casting Just use it to find where the fish are. Some live bait would be so good right now. There we go. Another white feels like. This one feels nicer though. Oh, maybe. Yes, I think it's gonna be a nicer white bass. Could be walleye too though. Could be walleye. He's not running as fast. Okay, maybe not a walleye. It's not running fast though. That's a wiper. Sick. He ain't bad. Oh, of course. Of course. Here comes the long neckers. You know, he ain't bad. Freaking midday. Midday basses. Huh? Is it out? Oh. Oh. Here we go. Not too shabby. It's not big, but he ain't bad. We'll do that again. Here, show you guys what I'm working with. Just using a 1/8 ounce backyard Baitshop Drastic Plastic welterweight in the bling color. Is that 2 for 2? Yep. Just cast it back there. There's a few rock piles back there too, so hopefully I don't get snagged on them. But maybe that's why the fish are hanging around there. Rocks could be holding some bait, but oh, had a bite on the drop, guys. Dang it. On the drop. Alright, we'll just fish it back now. Fish it real slow, it's pretty windy. Well, I'm just gonna shut these off. So I'm gonna save this spot real quick on my trolling motor. There we go. Put these bad boys to sleep. Then if I go a little while without getting bit, I'll turn everything back on, poke around some more. I was right behind the boat. Fish are so fun, man. Hey, white bass. You know, I think I might bust out the clicker today. Oh, this guy's jizzing. Sperming. Here we go. Yeah, this guy's jizzing. So they haven't spawned yet, huh? It's crazy. I didn't look at the water temp. Let's see. 61.8. Wow, it has not changed much at all from the last couple days. Okay, so that was 60. What did I catch 60 of? All right, we got 3. Got 3, and the wind is whipping. That's not how I wanted to cast it. I mean, I did want to cast it over there, but it wasn't ideal. Now I got a bow in my line since the wind shifted. All right, just fish it back. Wonder if are they spawning over here or what? I always thought they spawned up creeks. It's not like this is very shallow either. I mean, it comes up to maybe 14 feet. And we're gonna launch this bad boy. Use the wind to my advantage. Oh, dang, that went so far. I'm gonna say I'm on the bottom. There we go. I didn't get a good hook set on that guy. And we'll tighten that a click. Maybe 2. Maybe 2 clicks. Wow, this guy's coming in. He's coming in. Yeah, just find the fish on the hump and then, you know, you could try to vertical jig him or just push off the hump so you're not spooking him with the trolling motor. Oh, okay, okay. This guy's got some gusto. Okay, 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 okay. All right. This guy's got some gumption. He's gonna be a wiper. Dang, he is feisty. It's not even big. That's the crazy part. Oh, come on. Okay, okay, okay. I really need new netting. Got a hole in the bottom of my net. The fish's head keeps poking through it, but here we go. Another little wiper. About the same size as the last guy. Take a picture real quick. Oh, splashed myself in the face. All right. This thing with these wipers, man, they just tear up your jigs. Let's flip her upside down. If a fish bites this too good, it's gonna pull my pants down easy. But yeah, we'll cast way back there. See if I get bit on the drop. That'd be cool. Fish it slow. Fish it slow. Oh, clicker. Oh, oh, there goes the shed. All right. Might have to switch my plastic if I whiff a bite again. The guy just came over and asked me about an island. Oh, had a bite. Had a bite over here. Damn it. Just looked over and my rod was bent over a little bit. Wonder how long that was on there. Oh, right behind the boat. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. All right. We're ditching this guy. Oh, there they are. I was wondering where my paddle tails that Jeff gave me. They're in the different compartment the whole time. Yep, this is what we're doing. Certified Walter weight bling. Old Drastic Plastic. Here we go. All right, let's launch this baby. Yep, just letting it sink. These guys are creeping around on the bottom. Let's give it a few pops. Actually, I pop it all the time. Right before I'm gonna reel out, I just pop, reel up the slack, pop, reel up the slack. Then usually hit it on the pop, like right after the pop. Then as it's falling back down, that's usually when they hit it. Maybe I should space out my pops. The wind is kind of like picking up my line. Oh, oh, oh. Sick. Just dead sticking. What do we have here? He's not moving much. Is this a walleye? It is a walleye. On the dead stick, what? Oh, that is too funny. I was gonna say, this fish isn't moving very much. Hopefully he didn't choke it too bad. On the dead stick. He ain't bad, he's an eater. He's a blind guy. Yeah. Gotta get the pliers on him. Interesting. Dead sticking plastic. Well, I guess the boat's swaying back and forth, so it's doing some kind of action down there. I don't know why that was so difficult. Well, this is a lanky walleye, and his eyes jacked up, but Here we go. Skinny dead stick walleye. Get him back. You know what? We'll click him too. He counts. I did have quite a few bites on that dead stick. Oh, I just missed one on the jig. Oh. Wow, it is breezy. Yep, out to the left a little bit. Oh, okay. This one's gonna be a little bit better, I'd say. Maybe, I don't know. So far away, it's hard to tell. Feeling like a wiper though. Maybe, actually, it's not really running right now. He is quite a ways away from the boat too though. I mean, not anymore. What if he's a big walleye? I was gonna say, does he not know he's hooked? Dude. What if he's a giant walleye? Oh no, it's just the wiper staying down. Who am I kidding? Walleyes don't fight that much. Here we go. And another one. They're all kind of cookie cutters, huh? Wiper's about the same size. Walleye, or not wiper, walleye, white bass about the same size. Get that hook out. Here we go. Yeah, they're all like cookie cutters, huh? Get them back. Get them back. I'll do a back at the boat release. Wow, he was ready. He was ready. Everything recording, yep. Okay, gotta drink some water, guys. Gotta drink some water. I try to drink 10 cups of water every day. Seems a little excessive, but it's kind of the general recommendation. So, it's better to drink too much water than not enough. Oh, I gotta click it. Let's get back down there. That was out to the left. Launcher. Wow, that's some distance, huh? Oh, interesting. Just took a peek at my live scope real quick, see what was going on, and got a fish. This one feels like a walleye. Oh, he's a decent one too. Another decent walleye. This one will eat for sure. Look at that. Midday walleye. 2 o'clock walleye. Well, I kind of tangled up a little bit. You know, he ate. Ooh, that's a pretty nice one actually, guys. It's a pretty nice one. Right behind the boat too. Why can't I hold these guys anymore? Here we go. Holding him kind of funny, but not too bad. I was not expecting this guy. Ooh, water feels good. Well, we'll click it. Is that 2 walleyes, 2 white bass, and 2 wipers? Let's see, let's take a look at my jig. Oh, not terrible. All right, let's give her a launch. Man, it's only 2 o'clock and bite ain't too bad right now. Bird Skies and everything. Oh, I paused and it got smacked. Oh, I was about to say that the wind is playing a big factor for sure. I need to buy some more hooded sun shirts, man. I'd be roasting out here. I'll put some sunscreen on my hands. My hands get beat up from the sun. Whee! Oh, way out there. Oh, sunscreen right here. Oh shoot, I was gonna do just a little dab. Oh, maybe not. It's good though, it's good. Especially my ears, get the back of my ears. Probably should get my neck since the sun's back there. Sunscreen is just so greasy though. My arms are glistening. All right, skin protection, skin protection. Wow, barely felt that guy. Could he be a walleye? Oh, I think he's swimming towards the boat. Maybe he's not a walleye. Gee, I don't know. He's coming towards the boat kind of quick, so probably not a walleye. Oh, a white bass. Not a bad one either. Barely see his stripes. Jizzing? Are you jizzing? This guy's not jizzing. You know what? Here we go, white bass, man. Pretty dang fun. I don't know, some people just hate these. I don't know why. I think they're a blast. Yeah, they don't taste as good as a walleye or a crappie. But doesn't mean it ain't fun to catch them. Touch bottom. Wind don't feel too bad. It's not blowing too crazy. But even if it was a little bit more windy than this, it wouldn't be too bad. It's pretty warm. Haven't had very many bites up close. Except for that walleye. Oh, and then as soon as I say that, damn it. Popped and there was weight there. There we go. Give it a little pause after the pop. Never fails. Maybe I won't scooch all the way back yet. What do we got here? Walleye. Probably a white bass. He's moving too fast. Yeah. Yep, white bass. Nice one too. Oh, this one is just a freaking fatty. Holy cow, what a tubby little guy. Nice. Man, thick. They definitely don't have a shortage of forage in here. There's so much shad in this lake. It's kind of crazy. What's even crazier is that they managed to find my lure and eat it. Oh, right when I popped it, he hit it. Oh, damn bugs. Just like that guy. That was 2 bites right behind the boat there. One ain't feeling too bad either. See a walleye? He's not running. Oh, he's a walleye. And he ain't bad. Oh, don't spit the hook now. Don't spit the hook now. He got herpes too. Caught a couple that had herpes the last time I was out here. Oh, his outbreak ain't so bad. But yeah, they got like these bumpies. So me and my buddy Butters, I theorized that maybe there's some kind of disease going on with the walleyes, because there's been a few walleyes that, you know, I've seen dead floating, We saw a pretty big one out here last time too. It was probably like a mid 20-inch fish. It was about a 30-inch near the shore one day. Yeah, it's been quite a few. So I've seen a few dead walleyes lately, and yeah, it's kind of got like some kind of bumpies there. Yeah, but either way, this one's mostly healthy. Huh, all the walleyes have been coming from like right behind the boat. See ya. They're out in this deeper water. They're not on the hump. Oh, gotta click it. Gotta click it. Maybe a fish biologist, if they ever watch this, can chime in. Quite a few with those bumpies. Usually we don't catch them like that. But obviously they're eating, so they're healthy enough. Or maybe it's just unrelated. And those walleyes just died from, I don't know, natural causes or whatever. That didn't go out very far. Come on, right behind the boat again. Walleye. Oh. I don't know. Whatever it is, took a big run just now. He ain't running no more. Oh, white bass at the back of the boat. You know, here we go. Oh, right in his eye socket. Missed his eye though, which is the crazy part. Here we go. Turn you guys away from the sun. Nice. Nice fish. Right behind the boat. Not exactly on the hump. Because the hump, I don't know, it's probably like 70 feet behind me. 60, 70 feet. It comes up. Yeah, that's out in a little bit deeper water. Because it's kind of deeper, then it comes up. Maybe I was fishing it too fast. Not letting it drop. I do give it a pretty aggressive pop. But it's kind of what triggers them, hearing that aggressive pop. Oh, give it a pop and he was already there. What do we got here? Is this a walleye? I think this one's a walleye. Oh no, stay out of the other line. Oh yeah, another walleye, guys, right behind the boat again. He pinned it right underneath his chin. Looked kind of funny. Yep, it's underneath his chin. That's probably why it felt bigger than he actually is. Probably could have just lifted him in, but whatever. We got the net. Here we go. Could have easily kept the limit of walleyes already. Limits here is 3 with a 15-inch minimum. And a one fish over 20 max, I think. Here we go. Long, lanky. It says long and skinny, this one. Here we go. Give him one last look before we let him go. Right behind the boat, hanging out in this deeper water. Yeah, if you're watching this, drink some water. Could always use a little more water. All right, put the net back in its place. I've talked about it before, but this is a 7-foot Daiwa medium light. It's the RG, medium light, extra fast. And it comes with this combo reel here, the Regal 2000. I think I got 15-pound braid and a 17-pound leader. Leader's like 3.5, oh, maybe 4 feet, or actually maybe longer. It's like 5-foot leader, almost 5 feet. 5 feet, 5 foot, 5 feet. Just casting as far as I can. Had to hit the bottom. Keep forgetting I'm fishing in deeper water, so I can't fish it as fast with this 1/8 ounce. Oh, on the pause, man. Pop, pause. Blue Bird Skies, blue t-shirt, catching some white bass, wipers, and walleyes. 3 W's. There we go, pausing it behind the boat again. Oh, what's going on here? Feeling weird. Feeling real weird. It's like he's snagged. Oh. Huh, how'd I snag that guy? He definitely tried to swipe at it though. That was a walleye. You know, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, I should go poke around a little bit, but I'm getting enough bites. There's no need. Like right behind the boat, right here. Come on. Okay, maybe nothing behind the boat this time. That was kind of behind the boat, a little bit further back. Oh, this guy's growing on me. He's growing. Guessing a walleye? Oh yeah, he's growing. He's really growing. Oh yeah, another nice eater. Dang, man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. These aren't massive fish, but man, they're plenty good to take home to eat. Which I'm not doing. I still got perch at home. Should move that net closer. Oh shoot, stabbed you guys in the face. Sorry. Yeah, this one ain't bad. This one ain't too bad. Hook already had popped out in his mouth and the wind is howling. Man, as much forage as there is in this lake, I'd expect these guys to be a bit thicker. Oh wow, the wind picked up, huh? Got some clouds moving in the distance. Okay, clickety click. Have the walleyes taken over? Huh. I think as far as species goes, if I count white bass and wipers separately, I think I count more walleyes than anything else. Huh. Not complaining. It's just a neat observation. Wind picked up again. Okay, I feel like the bite was a bit better when it was windier earlier. I definitely got to fish a lot slower when it's windier. Because every time I pop it, that wind's gonna keep that bait suspended a little bit longer, which keeps it in the strike zone. That's why I think when the wind picks up, the bite picks up as well. And the wind is pushing down my rod tip too. Oh, so it's making it tricky. Damn it. I think my pants have been pulled down. Yep. Pants on the ground, pants on the ground.
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground.
Maybe it wasn't the wind pushing my rod tip, but makes it tricky though. Barely felt that guy. Had a bow in my line. Oh, here comes the wind. Guessing this is a white bass. Oh yeah, white bass. Smallest one so far, I think. Oh, yeah. He counts, he counts. Click. Clickety clack. Huh? My pants pulled down already? Thought I felt something weird. All right, time for a new jig. Yep, time for a new one. Time for a new one. I put them in here. Oh, yes I did. Wait, what? Yes I did. Okay, I need to drink some more water, guys. Drink water. Here we go. Time to get back. Ooh, what a cast. Right behind the boat again. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Guess I ain't moving yet. Got a white bass. Oh no, stay out of that. Oh, of course he would go directly into this other line, wouldn't he? Dang it, and now he's spinning around it. Come on, out of all the places. Oh man. What are the odds of that? Okay, guess I ain't poking around yet. Here we go. Oh, I think he's trying to spur him a little bit. But yeah. Oh, he's been caught before. I think he's been caught a few times. I didn't do that. He's got a hole on this side too, and a hole underneath. Huh, he's been caught a few times. Bet I've seen that fish before. Catch and release works. I mean, it's highly unlikely that I'm the one that caught him, but there's a chance. Yeah, just fish it real slow in this wind. Yep, there we go. Okay, I guess I ain't moving. Wearing these guys out. They're wearing me out. Swimming right towards the boat. It's gonna be another white bass. Oh, wow, 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 wow. They are so feisty, man. These guys will outfish or outfight a friggin' largie any day of the week. Oh, nice and easy. Here we go. Another white bass. Clicker. The wind is crazy. Well, not too crazy. Not too crazy. But it is very sustained. He sustained like 13, 14, 15. It's not gusting too much either. Oh, we got some paddle boarders. Got some paddle boarders over there getting kind of far away from the shore. We have to go on a rescue mission. I'll keep an eye on them though, because I did have to rescue these two girls that were out on a paddleboard and they were blown way offshore and couldn't get back. All right, you know what, guys? You know, I'm either gonna take a break right here or I'm just gonna end it right here. I don't know. I think I got plenty of footage to make this its own video already, but yeah, it slowed down. It was pretty good. I got out here at like 1 o'clock or something and started stacking them up right away, and that typically doesn't happen on a day like today. Bluebird skies, warm. It was windy though, so the wind helped a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna poke around, try to see what I can find. Hopefully I don't have to go too far. So if this is it, then appreciate you guys watching, especially if you're at the end here listening to me babble for who knows how long. You could have clicked on any other video, but you clicked on this one, so thank you. And if this is it, I'll see you guys later.